Namaste friends. Today I would like to discuss about how stress affects our gut microbiome. So we have seen in the last video that when we are in stress, there is this cortisol hormone released, right? But then there is also something else happening during our state of stress. So usually when there is stress, it is that we are in fight or flight mode. So we want to either fight with the tiger that is coming or just run away from the situation. But then to do this, what our body does is it sends the blood to the all the limbs and peripheries. It prepares our body to protect ourselves and to run away from the situation. When there is this blockage of or stoppage of blood to the digestive system, there is no proper digestion happening, right? So that is the basic thing. And so when there is no proper digestion happening, the food doesn't get properly digested, and also there will be more toxins formed because of the undigested food material fermenting in our stomach. And also during stress, what also happens is um, everything is stopped. Just like the digestion is stopped, similarly all other things are stopped. Like there won't be flow of nutrients to other parts of the body, there won't be blood flow to other parts of the body. Even the toxins are not released, there is no lymphatic circulation happening. So every process in our body is like blocked there. So during this process, there is blockage in the body happening. There is no flow of energy, and that creates problem. And hence, the toxins are built up because they are not flowing out. Even there will be constipation. Even the stool will be stopped there. The motility of the intestines, the bowel movements, everything will be blocked. So this is how we end up in building up of toxins within our system. So this leads to growth of more harmful bacteria, and so this is called the dysbiosis. So the gut microbiome is completely disturbed, and this is the reason why we end up in all kinds of gut issues because of stress. So stress, that is the brain, the nervous system and our gut are so much connected. This is what is called the gut brain axis. This gut brain axis includes the brain, spinal cord, autonomic nervous system, that is sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric nervous system, and the hypothalamic, pituitary, adrenal axis. Actually, the longest nerve of our autonomic nervous system, it is called the vagus nerve. It directly connects from the brain to our gut. This vagus nerve penetrates into the intestinal wall. So actually in our intestines, there is this enteric nervous system. The vagus nerve is connected through this enteric nervous system. The enteric nervous system contains between 200 and 600 million neurons and 20 different types of neurons. That is the reason it is also referred to as the second brain or the brain in the gut. It has the capacity to work independent of the central nervous system. Like this, like the nervous system itself, the enteric nervous system synthesizes serotonin, dopamine, opioids for pain, etc. It monitors acidity, promotes bowel movement, and monitors our defense levels. So it has this direct connection where the vagus nerve is very sensitive to the molecules produced by the gut microbiome. So when there is this dysbiosis happening within our gut, the production of neurotransmitters is affected because 90% of the neurotransmitter serotonin is produced by these microbes in our gut. So it is a feel good hormone. So that's why when this is disturbed, we feel low mood. There is no serotonin produced. When there is low GABA neurotransmitter secreted, we will have symptoms of anxiety. So this is how the gut and brain are so much connected. So vagus nerve creates this two-way bidirectional pathway through which the gut signals the brain, and brain communication happens with the gut and gut microbiome. And that is the reason why we experience all kinds of psychological issues when we have gut disturbances, like the mood swings, memory loss, brain fog. So, all these disturbances are because of this dysbiosis happening within our gut. So, that is the link. Thank you all so much.